5 tips on how to master negotiation. First, understand your value. Understanding your worth is key to getting what you deserve in any money discussion. Think about what you're good at, what you've learned, and what makes you special. Look up how much others in your field are paid to get an idea of what you should be earning. Let's go to tip number 2. Prepare your case. By this, I mean getting everything ready before you talk about money. It's about gathering all the reasons and proofs to support what you want to say or what you want to ask for. Before any financial discussion, gather all the important information and facts to help you negotiate for what you want. Let's carry on to tip number 3. Communicate clearly and confidently. For this one, let others know what you want and always be clear and act confidently. When you speak with confidence, it shows that you believe in yourself. So practice saying clearly what you need for your money. Speak with confidence using firm language while remaining calm and composed. Tip number 4, don't be afraid to ask. Yes, you heard that right. Don't be afraid to ask for what you deserve. If you don't speak up, you might not get what you need. You will definitely not get what you need. So be clear about what you want in terms of money. Just remember, negotiation is a normal part of the business and you have every right to ask for fair compensation. For our last tip, which is tip number 5, be willing to walk away. When you're negotiating, always remember this. Be willing to walk away if necessary. Knowing when to say no can be as important as the negotiation talk itself. If the negotiation does not meet your minimum expectations, be prepared to politely decline and explore other opportunities. And there you have it. 5 tips to help you negotiate your worth in money talks so you get the recognition and rewards that you deserve. Know that you can confidently articulate and negotiate your financial value. And remember, your skills and contributions are unique and you deserve fair compensation.